How many attorneys do you know call their clients every single month just to see how they're doing? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. I have to share something with you. Every single month, I pick up the phone and I speak to every single one of my clients. And there are two important reasons for doing that. Number one, I want to know from every one of my clients what's happened to them since the last time I spoke to you. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to know, has your condition gotten worse? Has it gotten better? Has it stayed the same? I want to know how your injuries and your harms and your losses have affected you on a daily basis. I want to know whether they affect your ability to interact with your family, whether you're having problems at work. I want to know things you can't do anymore or things you do with difficulty. In addition, I also give you updates on every monthly call to let you know what's going on with your case. And by the way, I do this even when nothing is happening on your case. You know, I get a lot of clients who tell me that they really love having this call. Why? Because in their experience with other attorneys, the other attorneys simply don't call them. They don't communicate with them. Maybe they'll send them a letter once every few months, or maybe the client has to call the attorney every few months and pick up the phone and say, hey, what's going on with my case? Well, in my practice, I never have to do that. You know why? Because we schedule monthly calls every single month with every single one of my existing clients. And that means that every single person gets an update on what's happening with their case, even if nothing is really going on, as well as, how are you doing? Tell me what's going on. How are your injuries affecting you? And that's a critical thing. So when you're deciding on which attorney is right for you, make sure you ask them how often the attorney calls you to tell you what's happening on your case and to ask you how you're doing. That question alone and the answer may help you decide which attorney is right for you. As always, if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from New York. Have a wonderful day.